In late 2023, a Chinese company, BYD, Build Your Dreams, outsold Tesla in global electric car sales, marking a historic moment in the automotive world. This wasn't an overnight success. BYD's journey from a small battery maker in Shenzhen to the world's top EV producer is a masterclass in ambition, vision, and relentless execution. The company's scale and speed are forcing legacy automakers to urgently rethink their future in the electric era, as BYD's rapid rise disrupts the status quo. In 2023, BYD sold over 3 million new energy vehicles, a staggering leap that cemented its role as a true market leader and innovator in the EV space. Its dominance in China, the world's largest and most competitive EV market, has become the launchpad for a bold and ambitious global expansion. CEO Wang Chuanfu's visionary leadership is at the heart of this rise. He's not just building cars, but an entire ecosystem that integrates batteries, software, and manufacturing. BYD's new plan is about more than just making more vehicles. It's about controlling the entire value chain, from raw materials to finished cars, and leveraging cutting-edge technology for a lasting edge. This strategy marks a pivotal shift in the global auto industry, challenging the century-long dominance of American, European, and Japanese automakers, and signaling a new balance of power. BYD's Ascent signals a new era, with its plans serving as a blueprint for Chinese global dominance in autos and inspiring a new generation of automakers. The outcome will reshape economies, transform supply chains, and redefine the very idea of mobility for billions of people worldwide. The electric revolution is here, and BYD is firmly in the driver's seat, steering the industry toward a new future. The world is watching closely as BYD rewrites the rules of the automotive industry, setting new standards for innovation and growth. The question now, can anyone catch up, or is BYD destined to lead the next chapter of automotive history? At the core of BYD's strategy is its founder, Wang Chuanfu, a visionary chemist who started BYD in 1995 as a humble battery company. From the very beginning, Wang's scientific expertise and relentless drive set the company on a unique path, one that would soon disrupt the global automotive industry. His deep background in battery technology, rather than traditional engines, fundamentally shapes his vision for the future. The battery is not just a component, but the very heart and soul of tomorrow's car. Wang's new plan is nothing short of bold. Laser-focused on technological supremacy, slashing production costs, and making electric vehicles truly accessible to everyone, everywhere. He's declared a liberation battle against gasoline cars, launching affordable EVs designed to make electric the obvious and irresistible choice for the masses. BYD's massive investment in research and development, employing over 90,000 engineers, fuels a stream of proprietary technology and rapid, continuous innovation. Vertical integration is a cornerstone of BYD's approach. The company aims to control all critical components in-house, from batteries to chips, reducing reliance on outside suppliers and ensuring quality. Wang's ambition stretches far beyond cars. He envisions BYD as a global green tech giant, powering not just cars, but buses, trucks, monorails, and even entire cities with clean energy solutions. This holistic, all-encompassing approach sets BYD apart from rivals who focus only on passenger cars, giving the company a unique edge in the race for sustainable mobility. Wang isn't just racing to win, he's building the racetrack itself, laying the foundation for a new era in transportation. His far-reaching vision could completely redefine what it means to be an automaker in the coming decades, reshaping the industry from the ground up. Ultimately, BYD's plan is about more than just cars. It's about transforming mobility, reshaping cities, and changing the world for generations to come. BYD's defining trait is relentless vertical integration. Unlike most automakers, BYD makes its own batteries, motors, power units, and even semiconductors. This gives BYD unmatched control over its supply chain, shielding it from disruptions and price swings. The result? A structural cost advantage, up to 25% over Western rivals, enabling aggressive pricing. BYD's engineers design every component to work seamlessly, driving efficiency and rapid innovation. This agility lets BYD outpace competitors in bringing new tech to market. The plan doubled down on in-house production and supply rivals with BYD's own Blade battery. Supplying competitors creates new revenue and cements BYD's tech as an industry standard. BYD isn't just building cars, It's becoming the backbone of the global EV ecosystem. This deep integration is the foundation of its long-term dominance. BYD's confidence is reshaping the industry. BYD's Blade battery is a game-changer in EV technology. Its unique cell-to-pack design boosts safety and energy density, passing extreme tests that stump rivals. The Blade battery's efficiency means BYD cars offer strong range at lower cost, giving them a formidable edge. BYD is scaling up Blade battery production, building massive factories in China and abroad. This not only powers BYD's own vehicles, but positions it as a major supplier to the industry. As production grows, costs drop further, widening BYD's lead. The Blade battery is the heart of BYD's ecosystem and its global ambitions. With China conquered, BYD's next move is global domination. The company is entering dozens of countries, from Europe to Latin America, with military precision. BYD isn't just exporting cars, it's building factories like in Brazil and Thailand, creating local jobs, and adapting to regional needs. In Europe, BYD is launching models to rival local brands and constructing a factory in Hungary to sidestep tariffs and shorten supply chains. This ambitious expansion is fueled by BYD's strong profits and massive production capacity. The goal: become a household name worldwide, not just a Chinese champion. BYD's global push is the ultimate test of its strategy. Success here will cement its place as a true global leader. The world is BYD's new battleground. BYD's strategy stands apart from both legacy automakers and EV startups like Tesla. Its vertical integration gives it cost control and supply security others envy. BYD's vast product range, from budget to luxury, captures a broader market than Tesla's premium focus. Its early bet on LFP battery chemistry, used in the Blade battery, avoids costly, volatile materials and gives BYD a sustainable edge. BYD's dual focus on pure EVs and plug-in hybrids appeals to a wider range of customers, especially in developing markets. This flexibility and pragmatism let BYD outmaneuver rivals stuck in narrower strategies. BYD's approach is about scale, speed, and adaptability. That's how it's winning the global EV race. BYD's toughest challenges, and also its biggest opportunities, are found in the US and European markets, where the stakes are high and the competition is fierce. In Europe, BYD is earning praise for its impressive quality and advanced technology, opening new showrooms in major cities and investing heavily in a state-of-the-art factory in Hungary. This move is designed to localize production, create jobs, and help the company sidestep costly tariffs that could otherwise limit its growth. But the road isn't easy. European automakers are fierce competitors with deep roots, and policymakers remain cautious, concerned about a potential flood of affordable Chinese EVs disrupting the local industry. The European Union is actively investigating Chinese imports, and there's a real possibility that tariffs on these vehicles could rise sharply in the near future. BYD's new Hungary factory is a direct response to these challenges, aiming to establish BYD as a true European player, not just an outside importer, and to build trust with local consumers and governments. The US market is even tougher. Currently, BYD's cars aren't sold there at all, blocked by strict trade barriers and a steep 100% tariff on Chinese-made electric vehicles. On top of that, the Inflation Reduction Act strongly favors US-made EVs, making direct entry for foreign brands like BYD nearly impossible for now, and pushing them to look for creative alternatives. Still, BYD isn't standing still. The company is expanding rapidly in Mexico, planning a major factory that will serve Latin America, and, if US trade rules ever change, could provide a backdoor into the American market. BYD is positioning itself right on America's doorstep, ready to move quickly if an opening appears. Globally, BYD is building its brand and manufacturing capacity, making itself impossible for the world to ignore as it expands into new regions. Even if direct entry into the US remains blocked for now, BYD's influence and presence in the global EV market are steadily growing. The company's global strategy is all about patience, persistence, and careful planning, waiting for the right moment to make its next big move. BYD is playing the long game, investing for the future, and adapting to each market's unique challenges. The world's biggest and most influential markets are firmly in its sights, and BYD is determined to make its mark on the global stage. The world's auto and financial leaders are taking BYD seriously, some with alarm. Experts call BYD's rise a tidal wave threatening Western automakers, citing its low costs, advanced tech, and speed. UBS found BYD's Seal sedan has a 25% cost advantage over Tesla's Model 3 thanks to vertical integration. Analysts warn BYD's pricing could trigger a price war not all rivals will survive. Policymakers see BYD's expansion as both a commercial and geopolitical challenge. Even industry giants now admit Schaster do impambuis is Vlas the main rival to beat. BYD's plan is more than corporate ambition, it's a blueprint for global disruption. Deep integration, relentless innovation, and aggressive pricing are upending the old order. BYD's control over its supply chain and tech gives it a structural edge few can match. Its mass-market approach, spanning EVs and hybrids at every price, is making electric mobility mainstream. The implications are profound. BYD is forcing a global reckoning on competition and policy. Even as protectionism rises, BYD's investments in local production show it's here to stay. The electric revolution's center of gravity is shifting eastward. The question for everyone: are we ready for how fast BYD is changing the world of transportation?